let's start with this, Crystal.
Okay.
You think you know, but you don't always know. So you think this guy in front of me is making me so mad that I'm going to give him a piece of my mind. I'm going to have this. Let's get moving. Let's go. We don't have forever. Get out. Let's straighten this guy out. Here he comes. Here he comes. Whoa,
oh, no. And there he goes.
Yeah, okay. All right. Yeah. No, you know what? I know it looked like I was coming to really go after you. I was actually checking your wiper blades.
Making sure you guys are okay up there.
There's no question. You guys good? Okay, no, I'm just get back in my car. We are totally good. I just want you to know that I appreciate you driving out here on the road.
Did you see he kicked him on the way back?
Oh, yeah, the big dude gives him a little love tap on the way back out. Here we go. I probably got about a size 18 shoe. And he said, this guy
I was like, get back to your car, you crazy guy.
Fool, come walking up to my car. All right, here's a look at what's going on. Red flag warnings all across the east side of the state for tomorrow. Metro area included in that, and west central sections as well. Here's our problem. We're going to have gusty winds. We're going to have very low relative humidity, single digits. And we're also going to have temperatures back up into the 80s and in some cases 90s. So obviously a difficult go across this area of the state, especially the east, but even here in the metro. We've had a lot of high and mid-level clouds across the southern portion of the state today. That continues right now, and we're likely to see some of that hold on during the overnight hours. Tomorrow's going to be a pretty nice day, though, although the winds will crank up a bit. It's 78 right now in the metro. Warm still. West winds at 6 miles an hour. Temperatures across the north, 50s, 60s, and 70s. Down to the south, mainly 70s, and we're still holding on to 80 degrees in the Roswell area. The storm we're watching is spinning right here over northern California. Now, this thing's going to slide down. It's going to hold a lot of strength as it sits to our west through a good portion of this week, and then it will cross the state by the weekend. So let's break down how everything's going to work itself out here over the next couple of days. This storm will drop down tomorrow just to the west of Arizona over southern California. We'll continue with the dry air and windy conditions here across the board. Today we were warm. Here's a look at how much warmer than average we were across the state, and we're anywhere between 5 and about 15 degrees or so above average across the state. So that will continue again for tomorrow. We're going to be dry, obviously, and we're looking at high fire danger and gusty winds as well. One change will start on Wednesday. We're going to start to draw a little moisture in from the Gulf well out ahead of this system. So it'll go into the eastern third of the state here, and we're going to have the possibility of picking up some storms and some severe thunderstorms in this area as well. Then, working our way into Thursday and Friday, storm edges a little closer. The moisture edges in from the eastern third of the state into central sections here, and maybe even eventually closer to the west. But the real action begins too into the weekend as this storm slides overhead too. So we'll continue with the chance of showers, but you probably tell this by what we're talking about here, and that is the western half of the state won't see as much precip as the eastern half of the state will out of this particular storm. You guys, essentially from the central mountain chains eastward, whether it be the northeast or southeast, will get the best chance at maybe an inch plus of rain out of the next, say, week or so. Here in the metro, we'll get sort of a middling deal where it's not going to be a deal we're going to miss out completely. We're going to have our chance later in the work week as well. Out to the west, you guys don't look like you're going to see as much, but let's see how this thing plays out because it's got some real potential here as a storm to hit a good portion of the state. 70s across southern Colorado for tomorrow, and then the shot at showers cranks up late in the week. 82 in Farmington, 79 in Gallup, 79 out in Grants. Partly cloudy skies the next couple of days. By Friday, shot at showers increases. Southwest, right now, you guys look like you're not going to see as many showers as other portions of the state, but again, we'll hold off on that for a couple more days, see how things shake out with the models. 97 tomorrow in Roswell, 98 in Carlsbad, 97 in Hobbs. Good chance at showers begins on at least Thursday, but maybe even Wednesday. Same deal across the northeast where this is the bullseye area to get much needed rain. Ranchers, everybody else across the northeast will be loving this. 76 in Taos, 77 Santa Fe, and 77 in Los Alamos. Not much the next couple of days, but a good shot starting on Thursday to pick up mountain rain and thunderstorms. 80 Cedar Crest, 82 Edgewood, 79 in Mountain Air. Gusty winds for tomorrow. And here in the metro, warm and breezy. Southwest winds 10 to 20 miles an hour. Temperatures in the 80s, and our shot at showers begins in a much bigger way on Friday, but really over the weekend, the holiday weekend, we're going to have our shot to pick up some thunderstorms. Looks like a pretty good storm.
So the roller coaster ride continues weather-wise.
It does, but this storm does look good, better than any one we've seen so far.
All right, thanks so much, Mark.
Yep.
After